The Draper Oscillating Multi-Tool is a highly versatile tool, ideal for many cutting and sanding applications. It's packed with 300 watts of power, has an aluminium gearbox housing, soft comfort grip, variable speed control and a dust extraction tube. The tool comes complete in a blow-molded carry case that includes a universal saw blade and a semicircular blade used for cutting most materials, a tri-sanding pad, plus 3 assorted sanding sheets and an offset rigid scraper blade. With this multi-tool, you can sand wood or metal, even in the most awkward places. It will cut blind holes in plasterboard, making fitting electric mattress boxes easy. Cutting skirting when laying laminate flooring is also made simple. The Draper multi-tool will also cut copper tubing and alloy extrusions, rusty unwanted nails and most man-made materials. When decorating, this multi-tool makes old grouting removal from tiling fast, and using the rigid scraper, old paint can be removed with ease. This product is a great all-rounder and a must for any tradesman or enthusiast.